I already have the Jellyfin app installed on my TV. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to install the app on my phone. This is a Pixel 10 phone that we're going to be installing on. This will work with any Android phone. We're going to go over to the Google Play Store, and up at the top, we're going to search for Jellyfin, and here is the app. We're going to go ahead and tap on install. And it's now installed. We can go ahead and tap on open. And now it wants to connect to the server. You want to make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your server, and then you're going to type in either the host name or the IP address. So I just typed in the IP address, we'll tap on connect, and now it's going to connect. And now we want to sign in. We want to sign in with the username and password that we created when we installed the server. So I'll go ahead and enter that in here. My username and password is in there. I can click on sign in, and we are now signed in. So I have one movie that's already in here. I can go ahead and tap on that, and I can start playing it. There we go, and we're up and running. So that's how you do it. That's how you install Jellyfin on an Android phone. Also, if you're looking for free legal content that you can download, you can check out this guide right over here. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.